Hello from Tajmotormedics. I've got a BMW 3 Series on a 2019-2020 plate. This is practically the new one. It's got the virtual cockpit on there, so right across there, and then here as well you've got the display. Now usually on the BMWs you'll have a reset button right across there, but this one here hasn't got it. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to show you how to reset the brake warning light and how to get the service information as well. All you got to do on this model, you got to press the start button 3 times. So you do 1, 2, 3. Now here you'll see service mode in a minute. Now diagnostic mode is active. So all you then do is press this once, press it again, and then hold it till you get the service for the front reset come up. Here we go. That's now up. So what I'm going to now do is where it says 800 miles. So I'm going to press that button again. Hold it. Maybe not. So I'm going to press it once. Press it again. Press it again. Press it again. Now I'm going to hold it. The same button. Maybe it needs a lot longer. Here we go. Let go of the button. Press and hold the button again. So keep hold of it. Reset in progress. Now the reset was unsuccessful for some reason, so what we might need to do is plug the diagnostic in there and then do it through that. Otherwise, the sensor that customer supplied us was an aftermarket one, so that may have not worked. So if you ever do replace brake pads on this, make sure the brake pads, I mean you can put brake pads, aftermarket brake pads on, but the sensor needs to be a genuine one. So try to get a genuine sensor brake wear indicator. That'd be amazing. And that should then do it the same procedure again. Just press that button and then it should come up with the service information. If there's anything else you need to know, comment us below. We'll try helping you as much as we can. And you know, please don't forget to subscribe, like and share if possible. Thanks for watching and goodbye.